Live from Pix Plaza, this is New York Living.
As you're gathering school supplies for the new year, there may be some you can make and have fun while doing so. Kerri Quigley from the fashion class is showing us some fun crafts for the new school year. First day of class for New York City schools, less than 1 week away.
Oh my gosh. And if you're looking to give the children something to do and get them excited for the return to the classroom, we got you covered. Kerri Quigley is the author of Fashion Design for Kids. I mean, look at this. She exudes joy. She's also
so
the founder
cute.
of the fashion class. It's on the Upper East Side. Kids of all ages learn how to create, design, and sew.
Am I a kid of all age?
49.
Am I a kid of all age? That's a very aesthetically pleasing shop. She is joining us live this morning with easy no-sew, keyword no-sew, back to school crafts that will get your kids away from screens, and focused on fun.
She's got a glue gun.
Yes.
She's got her energy.
I see leopard print. I see leopard print. Just putting it out there.
I brought that for you.
Thank you. This is the Jersey in me.
First and foremost, why is it important to get kids into crafting and doing something that's so tactile?
So it's great for building fine motor skills and developing them, and confidence. So imagine, you know, it's first day of school, you pull out your fancy feather pen, and everybody's like, "Where'd you get that?"
Why is this?
I made it.
It's giving Lottie on the first day of class.
I made it. Now, Kerri, in full disclosure, it is common knowledge around here. I don't like arts and crafts because I'm terrible at it. So she's gonna
make it palatable for you, Marisol.
She's gonna hold my hand.
What are we doing
I saw
today?
that glue gun. I started sweating.
I know, honey. It's gonna be
You'll be
right.
fine. It's so easy. It's the easiest thing.
All right, what do you have for us? I'm gonna go around
Absolutely. So I love a craft that is useful. You can use it day to day. So this notebook is one that I personally use myself.
Oh, this is Kerri's. This is Kerri's notebook.
This is my notebook. You can get these sheets on Amazon.
Ooh,
they're
that
faux
feels
leather,
nice.
right? They come in beautiful prints.
Oh, it's like a mermaid tail.
Yeah, you simply punch 3 holes in them, fill them with loose leaf, add some binder rings, and you have an endlessly refillable notebook.
Endlessly refillable.
So my children started school last week. I needed you we're in Connecticut. I needed you last week.
Isn't that
Look at
beautiful?
this. And I'm going to flip it over because look, it has the back side.
Oh, stop it. Those
And
are
a different,
kitties.
and a different.
Gatos. I love a notebook because I write everything down. I still have a pen and paper
You and I are
situation
very
agenda.
similar, very similar.
All right, this backpack.
Yes, so this is my daughter's backpack, but what we're really looking at are these little monster backpack charms.
Cute.
She absolutely loves them. So all you do is
Who doesn't love a googly eye?
Exactly, exactly. You make a little pom-pom, you stick some googly eyes on
they're
there,
pink.
and it's just an adorable little colorful pop to a backpack. So
It's
she
also
loves
a good
that.
way to identify it because I know some kids have similar backpacks, and at the end of the day, they're just like, "Oh, here's mine." But if you have your
Nobody else has the googly-eyed
That's
monster.
right.
Exactly.
That's
you
right.
need a googly-eyed monster.
I like that.
And then speaking of toddlers, this is one of my favorites because
This one has been. This is like a fan favorite.
Yes.
Because,
What is this?
you know, when you get a new box of colored pencils, especially if you have little kids, they crush it, they rip it.
God, yeah.
This is a great way to
Keep that from
store,
happening.
store
Well,
your
okay,
colored
what is
pencils.
happening here?
What
So
in the
all
home edit
I
is this?
did was take a long piece of felt and you punch 4 holes. And then you can thread your pencils right through there. Whoops, I can't
Oh
see.
my goodness.
And you glue a ribbon on the back.
This is making me, this is like very satisfying
this.
to me
It's
watching
it's
this.
just beautiful.
So
And
it's the Virgo
protects
in me
their
loves this.
fingers.
The Virgo in me loves this too. Can we make something? This is
Let's
the part where I'm going to start
Absolutely.
sweating.
Okay, so
Maddie
now
wants to craft always.
we are going to do a really fun.
It's
This
gonna
is
be
another
fun,
one of my
Maddie, okay?
favorites, a bookmark.
Okay.
So you're each going to get a glue gun.
Oh
We're
boy.
going to use a little mat so that we don't mess up our table, right? Okay, and pick your favorite prints.
I'm going to do this one.
That one. Okay.
I like this one.
And you're going to need both pieces.
What is this exactly, Kerri? This is like a.
Looks like a mermaid
piece of-
scale.
Oh, this
No, it's a
leather.
just a
faux leather.
Oh, it's
a
faux
piece
leather.
of
She
faux
Got
leather.
it on Amazon.
You can get this anywhere you get your crafts.
You can get it anywhere you get crafts. You can
Okay.
also use felt.
You can use
I'm a
felt.
big fan of felt as well.
What are we making?
We are making bookmarks.
Oh!
This is a great teacher gift. My husband's a teacher. He would love one of these. No more old receipts for, you know,
So cute.
bookmarks.
Okay.
So all we're going to do is take your glue gun,
Yeah.
flip it face down, and we're just going to start putting a line of glue on the
What do
back
I
of that.
press?
You
How
do
do
You're
I
going
do
to
it?
press
Oh
right
boy,
there.
Marisol.
I really don't know anything.
Pull the
about this.
trigger, baby.
Just
Is
pull
there
the
any glue
trigger.
in mine? I don't think
Watch
there's
it.
glue.
There it
Oh,
goes.
there is.
Yeah.
You want me to? Oh, listen.
Just pull the trigger.
Bob,
Do
you
a
get
bit
it
at
all
the
there?
top.
I'm not firing.
Oh no! All right, I'll switch with you.
This is not.
Oh, you know what?
half
I
bad.
will put a stick in. This is the glue, right? There we go.
Oh, you need. Yep.
You know how to use
I have
Sorry.
used a glue gun. Are you
There's
shocked?
nothing you don't do.
You know, Philly
Yeah, I'm
Row.
gonna switch with you.
Philly Row. Thank
can
you.
use
I
the-
don't know how to.
Philly
enter
Row
the
raised
one.
you
Philly
right.
Row. This looks like
I'm going
a
to tell you
my-
right now,
fancy.
Miriam knows her way around a glue gun. I do not.
Doesn't want to go
So
in.
both
Okay.
sides?
So we're gonna do just one side,
put
and you're
glue.
just gonna keep gluing straight down,
Just one side.
and it just one side, and then you're gonna push the other piece on top of it. Now it dries really, really fast, so
Oh,
you want
shucks.
to push.
Oh,
the
Monty,
piece-
move quickly.
And you can do it in sections. You don't have to do the whole thing at once.
I'm sweating.
You're doing great.
I
Sweating.
forgot about a
That's
glue gun. I'm just
beautiful.
having fun using the glue gun. I'm not gonna lie to you guys.
Okay.
And then you can lift it up if you need to keep going.
Oh, I put it all the way out of
It's
into
fine.
it. Now what do I do?
And now we are going to.
Wait, I'm sorry, I
simply-
missed it. Do I do
Now you
both?
can press this one.
Just
on
one
Oh no,
side.
just one. Okay. I love the
And
smell
now
of
you
a
make
glue
a
gun.
top.
Is
You're
that
just
weird?
gonna put a
You
little.
like the smell of a glue gun.
I do.
Punch
Sorry.
a little hole in the top there. I'll do
Oh,
one.
and then
Well, so for this, we're gonna make a little tassel. So just pick your favorite
God, I'm
piece
so
of
excited.
yarn. I just wrap it a few times.
oh shoot.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's okay.
I made a. See, I already made a mess.
That's all right.
You stick
I'm
it
gonna
together.
What do I do now? I hole punch. Thank
Now
you.
we hole punch.
Hole punch.
I think I'm a step ahead of you guys.
We gotta cut.
Okay.
And she started after us.
You just push it through.
How far down? Doesn't matter. Dealer's choice.
Dealer's choice,
Yeah.
lady's choice. In there, push it through. And this is what you do at your
This
space.
is what I do at the
on
studio. We do
upper
crafts for
studio.
toddlers.
What's the oldest
toddlers.
kid who you've got? Oh,
Yeah.
I went. No, not
Oh,
far enough.
we
Do you take 49-year-old kids?
Absolutely. We
Okay,
teach
good.
adults. We do mommy and me lessons. We do a lot of sewing in
All
the
right.
studio where you make your own clothing.
Let's do it.
All right, I'm gonna
Oh,
finish
so-
this bad boy
listen,
off
I'm just
the
getting
camera.
acquainted with a glue gun. Now she's talking about sewing. Next
So let me
craft.
show you. I'm just gonna finish this.
That's all right. Leave it.
All right.
What's
we'll
the
leave
next
it.
one?
Okay, so next we're gonna do the feather pens.
Oh, yes.
This is easy.
Pen.
Everyone take a pen.
Pen.
And grab a thing
Washi
of washi
tape?
tape. Yes,
I knew
easy,
I knew
right?
washi
Oh,
Washi
look at
tape.
this. It's like marbly print.
Yeah, you
oh.
could take a marbly one.
Oh, I don't know which one to use. I'm gonna use this one.
It's only, we got like 30 seconds left,
All
sister.
right. So we're going to quickly wrap the washi tape around the pens.
the whole
She's
pen.
got nice nails too.
Oh, of
Okay.
course she
Nails are
does.
done beautifully. Start at the bottom,
Start at the bottom.
like Drake. Start it from the bottom.
No,
down
wait
here.
here.
Yeah.
And you're just gonna start wrapping it. And with your fingers, just push it up. Okay? And we're gonna go up at an angle. So if you
What's-
get any little bumps, just push them down. Washi tape is so sticky. It's one of my favorite things to work with.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if I'm
We're
doing
just
this
gonna
right.
bring it.
This is like witchcraft.
Do you need some help?
Look at this.
Yeah, just
Look
bring
at
it
this.
up.
You're doing it, Yipik. Yeah, you got to do
Okay,
it. You
there
have to
we
do
go.
it
You
at a
got it,
slight
yeah.
angle.
I got it now. I didn't get
Who
the. I
taught
didn't
you
hit
how
them
to do all
angles at
this?
first.
My grandmother did when I was 8 years old. Yeah.
Aw, that's so
She
sweet.
definitely instilled my love of crafting and creating.
Look at that.
Look at this.
These are gorgeous.
Your Virgo is getting in the
Yeah. Well, this
It
is what
doesn't
they
have to
wrote
be-
on my report card in school. You know, she takes too long because she's a perfectionist.
No,
We
you
go
guys
all
are
the way
doing
to the
beautiful.
top,
And then we're gonna do
back to the glue gun.
Glue gun.
You guys don't
and
wait
just
for me. Go
Very
ahead.
carefully, just press a feather stem in that glue. Don't touch the glue because it's hot.
Okay.
Marty, don't touch the glue.
Okay, fine. And then I just.
And you can do as many feathers as you'd like.
Can I keep this if I make
Oh,
it?
100%. Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
A little glue gun. All
That's
right.
the fun of it.
If you want to dive into more crafting, sewing, zhuzhing, you're going to be here till tomorrow.
You got it.
Where can folks
Don't
get
mind
more
me.
information about
Sure.
you and your services?
Thank you. So all of these craft videos are on my Instagram and YouTube at the Fashion Class.
The fashion class.
Or they can visit us at the studio.
Visit.
Beautiful, Kerri. Thank you so much for joining
Thank-
us today.
she is not
we will
gonna
be
stop
in.
until
We
she
will be in. I will close your
finishes.
shop down. Okay.
All right.